What's good, everybody, and welcome back to another video. So I have a Porsche GT3 here on my table, and basically kind of took it over because this originally is my daughter's car. I decided to make it a hobby spec, or tried to make it a hobby spec, because I saw on YouTube that people do try to do that, and I'm trying to see if I can do the same thing. She does love cars, because from she see that I got this one over here, she's like, she wants her own to be as fast as this one. Out of the box, they claim that this one comes not even out of the box itself, it goes around 20 kms, which is around, I think, like 15 miles per hour, something like that. And then, as you can see over here, a lot of people, you probably just glimpse it just now, which is my go-kart project that I have coming soon. You guys can stay tuned for that. But yes, guys, back to this. So I modified it, and for those who are familiar with this type of car, out of the box, it comes where you have to, when you're driving it, when it goes forward, the lights come on, when it goes backward, the lights come on. So what I did, I did a different conversion of the lights now, where we can get them being constant, and you can, as you can see, they're very bright. And yes, even for the back too, I did the same thing. The back lights are constant. Yeah, so it's looking better now. It's originally, I think these things are really built to more be like a little drive around car, but mainly like a showpiece. But I see people try to also make them hobby grade, so trying to do the same thing. She definitely loves cars just like me, so she's definitely gonna be happy to see this one being converted. And I have a little brushed AC in there. All of this, guys, is just used parts, trying to see what we can do with it. As it pertains to steering, it's not easy, because the steering that comes from factory with this thing, it's very mechanical, and it has a loud sound that it makes when it's turning left and right. But instead, I put an airplane servo inside of it, which now makes it turn a little bit more smooth. It will still make a little sound here and there, because I did use some of the stock parts to still make it work. But this is just my own conversion, guys, and I'm just trying to see if it will work. If it does work and it hold up, then I will be sharing that hack as well. But so far things are looking good, and she should be happy with it. And it's something that I'll be using also as my pace car for this one over here. Whenever I'll be doing drifting and stuff like that, this one definitely will be getting some action and stuff like that. So yes, guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Drop a like. I'll be testing this thing and be doing a speed run as well, because they say out of the box this one is supposed to run 5 miles per hour. So if we can get it to run even 7 or 8 miles per hour, guys, I'll be happy with that. So you can stay tuned for another video with that. I have my go-kart video over here that you guys can stay tuned for. This thing you can take off the parts, as you can see over here. So I won't be giving away too much of that, guys, but overall I like the build. It's something that you can put on your shelf and still look good, run the lights for a good while, because it has a good battery inside of it. I think this battery is a LiPo battery. It is actually, it's a 2S, but a small little 2S LiPo, so nothing too powerful. We'll be upgrading it. I might be doing a motor swap on it and something like that soon. We'll be seeing how that goes, but for now we will be running a speedrun test on it. I'm gonna give it a little power test so you guys can see how powerful it is. I don't think it will be crazy powerful, and I'm not really heading for like a crazy record with this thing, because at the end of the day, it's really more for a show, more for kids to play with and drive around. So we're not really gonna do anything too crazy. But guys, this is the remote that I have it at connected to right now. I didn't even dust it off because I just finished this project, guys, and it's just something new I'm doing. So we're gonna be squeezing the throttle now to see how it sounds, and let's see how powerful it sounds. Now the battery might be a little bit dead, so it might not be sounding like crazy powerful because I do have to charge it. But at 75% power, this is how it sounds. And then 100% power. So that's that, guys. So if again, drop a like and stay tuned for the speedrun in the next video. You can comment down below how fast you think it will go, and yeah guys, so stay tuned.